Hey friends, Hannah here from Sheet Leveler, and today I'm going to show you one of my favorite Excel time savers, how to merge cells using quick keyboard shortcuts. We're not just stopping there though. I'll also show you how to merge and center text in one go, and finally how to unmerge cells just as quickly. Trust me. Once you know these, you'll never go back to clicking through endless menus. Let's start simple. First, select the cells you want to merge. In my example, I'm clicking and dragging to highlight B2 to D2, which currently has the header Employee Data Table. Now, instead of going up to the ribbon and hunting for the Merge button, here's the magic key combo. Press Alt, then H, then M again. Let's break down what's happening. Alt plus H activates the Home tab at the top of Excel. You'll notice little letters pop up across the menu. Release the keys. Press M to open the Merge menu. Press M again to select Merge Cells. And just like that, our three separate cells have become one single cell. Okay, that's good. But what if you also want the text neatly centered at the same time? Undo your merge. We'll do it together in a second. Reselect the same cells, B2 to D2, and now try this slightly different combo. Press Alt, then H, then M, then C. It works almost the same way. Alt plus H, Home tab M, Merge menu C, Merge and Center Boom. Your cells are merged, and the text is sitting perfectly in the middle. And finally, sometimes you need to reverse it. Maybe you merged cells by mistake, or you're reformatting your data. Here's the quick unmerge shortcut. Press Alt, then H, then M, then U. You already know the first part, it's the same as before. And the U stands for unmerge. Press it, and instantly your merged cell splits back into the original separate cells. Go ahead, pause the video and try them right now. It's the quickest way to remember them. That's it for this tip. If you found it helpful, give this a thumbs up, maybe subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.